Are you someone who spends a lot of time styling hair? Do your shoulders, wrists, and back hurt from blow drying so much? If so, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Mark, a hairstylist myself, and I know how frustrating it can be to have to use a heavy, bulky blow dryer all day long. That's why I'm so excited to review the Gamma IQ2 Blow Dryer. I bought this back in June at the Premier Hair Show in Orlando and have been using it exclusively since then. I was using the first Gamma IQ blow dryer, so I knew I was getting a great product, but I really wanted to see how much they improved on it. There are some really cool accessories that come with the Gamma IQ blow dryer. So we have the pad here, and this pad turns the blow dryer off when you lay it on there. It's really cool. The next piece we have is this foam. In there is a brush to clean the filter. And this gray piece I didn't use. I think it's a hook for your cord, the gray piece underneath the brush. It's a hook for your cord, which the blow dryer has a super long cord, which is very helpful in the salon. We have the diffuser. I've been having a lot of fun with this accessory, especially my curly hair clients, with diffusing their curls, getting that volume and definition without it being frizzy. Next, we have our mini diffuser, which I don't use too much, but it's great for fine hair. If you're in a rush and you just want to power dry your hair, you're able to get that shine and volume. We have our wide concentrator nozzle, which is very helpful when using a big round brush because it helps cover the whole brush, gets the whole section dry, and it's so thin that there's so much pressure that comes out, airflow pressure that comes out. Then we have our second nozzle, which is not as wide, and the opening's a little bit wider, so you get a little more airflow through there, not so concentrated. As we move on to the blow dryer itself, I got the rose gold color. They had black, they had rose gold, and I think there was one more, but I don't remember. And this blow dryer does have an auto clean setting, which the airflow goes reverse, so it pushes out all the dust and little hairs out the back. It's really helpful. You're supposed to do it after every blow dryer to maintain your blow dryer properly. Overall, I love the Gamma IQ2 blow dryer. It's a powerful, lightweight, and versatile tool that can help you achieve salon quality results at home. If you're a hairstylist who's looking for a blow dryer that won't hurt your shoulders, wrists, and back, I highly recommend checking it out. And if you're interested in learning more about the Gamma IQ2, leave a comment below. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.